Hi, welcome to another episode of Weed Whacker Knowledge 2.0. So now we are going to mess around and put some string on our weed whacker. So if we look at the head and we look at our extra string, I've already taken this off, okay, by squeezing these teeth. And I'll show you how it looks when it's put back together. But this comes off, and then you'll see this assembly, which is on light better, which is on this cross brace, sits inside of this ring. So simply move this, and it comes off like a disc. Okay, and again, what we're doing is putting this cross piece in this section here. Okay, what I've done is taken all of the spooling off that was on there, and I'm going to take my drum and just probably take about 5 feet off of this. That's maybe a little extra. And I just cut it. Now what you're going to do is there's a hole through that center shaft right here that you pretty much bring this through, and you want to make it equal. So you grab the other end, grab both ends, and stretch them out so that they're equal. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Then what you'll notice, now I'm going to do a zoom in here. What you'll notice is there's a path for these to take, okay, for both of them. So this one will be on the bottom, and go like that. See, so let me wrap that tight for a second. Okay, and then I just hold it with my finger. And then again, I'm going to look at this one, and it's going to come this way. It's hard to do this with. Okay, now I'm going to wrap that. Alright, so again, sorry about the not continuous feed, but see, watch how I feed this around. I'm going to just wrap it around the bottom. Okay, so I have one is at the top and one is on the bottom. So I'm going to set these across from each other like such. See, like that's how they'll be installed. Okay, so now this is important. When you go to put this in, you'll see there's no notch right here, but if I turn it over, see if you can see that notch. So the notch, the way this goes in, it only goes in one way. So oops. Okay, so I've got the one that's on the top. I'm going to put in this forward spot. I don't know if you can see that. I'm not all the way pushed down on my ring, but as I move down, now I'm going to align the bottom one, okay, to slide in here. Now I push this all the way down, and now it's in. Okay? So one's longer than the other, not a big deal. Now I'm going to take this cap, okay? It goes in the center. And you push it on till it connects like that. Well, it'd be cooler if I got this in there properly. Okay, now when I push on this, head and push it down, that allows slack to come out. Okay, and when the weed whacker first fires up and you go full blast, this blade right here is going to cut it. Okay, that should get you going where you need to be.